Good morning. So these are hardness tester machine. Okay. So in this hardness tester machine, so this is the column. On this column, this is head and this is tail or bottom of this machine. Okay. On this bottom side, you will see this is the handle or spindle. On rotation of the spindle, this is the lead screw. Okay. This is anvil, this is flat anvil, and this is V groove anvil. Okay, these are anvils. These are sample plate. So the purpose of anvil is to place the sample plate on this anvil. Next, this is indenter holder. Okay, this is indenter holder, and in this indenter holder there are two types of indenters here. This is diamond type of indenter or conical type of indenter, and this is ball type of indenter. In this ball type of indenter, this is cap. Okay, this is cap, and in between this indenter head and cap there is a ball, small ball. Okay, so this is ball type of indenter. You will see ball from this end. Okay, this is ball type of indenter. So and there are some more parts. This is dial gauge. By this dial gauge you will find or determine the reading of hardness. Now this is load selector. So by moving this you will adjust the load 100, 150. Okay, this is load selector. Next, on bottom side you will find a lever. So this is lever which is used to add this load. Okay, by moving here load is added, and by moving here load is removed. Okay, so basic mechanism of this machine is, first we will attach indenter here and we will lift anvil up, and this indenter will touch with this plate, and you will find on this first step is to add minor load. So minor load is, you can see here, we will keep minor load up to 0.3. so here this is the outer scale and this is inner scale. So in this inner scale we will add minor load up to 0.3. This is okay, the red dot. So this is first, second and third. So up to 0.3 we have added minor load. Now next step is to add major load. So by this load selector we will kept 150 as major load. Okay, 150 load is added, and then to add this major load we will move this lever from this position to that position, and now we will check this on dial gauge. Load is added, and when this pointer remains stationary you need to remove this load, major load. Okay, when you keep this, our pointer will deflect, and this is our final reading of hardness. Okay, so what is the reading? 90, and this is 0, means that is 100. Okay, 10, 20, 30. So 91, 92. Okay, so 92. This setup is Rockwell hardness test. Okay, so and we have kept 150 load and conical indenter. So hardness C means Rockwell grade C reading is this. Okay, so why C? You will find in this outer scale there is CC, 80C, 90C, 0C. Okay, so 91 and 92 C of Rockwell. So 92 HRC is this reading. Okay, If you place this ball indenter and 100 kg load, then you will see the B reading. Okay, so 22 HRB is the reading for 22 uh, for B HRB for Brinell, for Rockwell grade B reading. Okay, and for Brinell the test procedure is different. You need okay. to take 5 different reading at different location. Okay, for example, first reading here, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so 5 different hardness reading at HRC you need to take, and you need to average the take the average of this reading. Okay, so by this way our hardness of this sample plate is determined.